Welcome. This is Neco's year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 21 says citizenship education is very important because we want to talk of citizenship education. Citizenship education is refers to the education which inculcates moral behavior into the citizens. A. Breeds obedient and responsible individuals. B. Encourages animosity among the ethnic groups. C. Inculcates negative values among citizens. D. Promotes indiscipline in the society. E. Promotes social unrest in the society. What talk of social unrest means violence. So citizenship education does not promote violence, so it cannot be. Then it does not encourage indiscipline, it does not inculcate negative attitude, it does not encourage animosity, which is trouble or conflict. Citizenship education breeds obedient and responsible individual. Therefore, option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.